Pacquiao. Alam mo naman, malakas ang dasal.
But being smart, Pacquiao, he doesn't want to gas out, leave everything in one round. So whenever he sees an opportunity, he lets those hands go. 4, 3, 4 punches, not the 6, 7 combinations, and then the side steps that we were used to seeing from Manny Pacquiao.
That's a big part of it, the footwork to exit. That's why he looks so, let's just say it, old against Ugas. That was a much
Ay, na-miss pa. Ayos, 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 ayos.
He saw Tank Davis, and Tank Davis knocked him down with that body shot.
Very nice jab from Barnes. That was stiff and right in the face of Manny Pacquiao.
That's what Bob Santos wants from him.
Ayan na, nagsasayaw na si Pacquiao. Sasayaw na, basta nagsayaw na yan, alam mo na. Hindi pa eh, come on. Pag nagsayaw na yan, alam mo na ang banat niyan. Manny! Manny, Manny! Manny, di ba? Manny. Ganda ng ano niya, sapatos pala niya, oh. Ito na po na. Mama, magsayaw ka na, Manny, para malaman na natin ang katotohanan.
And for Pacquiao right now, it's not how many punches or the speed, it's the right
Oh,
punch.
inano na naman siya sa ano eh.
Straight left jab.
Oh,
Wait for the right moment.
Barrios.
Don't go in flurries like you used to, because again, you're leaving yourself exposed.
Barrios, a 16-punch connected advantage through the first 6.
Ayun! You can do it, man! Woohoo! Come on! Nakasara na ngayon ha. Dati bukas lagi ang mukha nito ha. Ayun, dali! Oh, wala na. Tapos na. Niyakap na naman. Laging tinutulak nito ni si ano ha. Si Pacquiao ha. Nakakapuna na ako ha. Galit. Nagsiselos siya. Nainggit lang. Nainggit yan kay Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao will say that. And the muscle memory right now, you were just, okay, I'll break.
Nice stiff jab there from Mario Barrios.
Come on, Manny. You can do it. Yun. Isa pa. Sige na. Dahil mataas-taas yan, di ka makakaya, huwag mo pabain. Yan. O, di ba?